What's going on, guys? Welcome back to new video Z. Today's video, what we're going to do, we're going to go through yesterday's trade and also today's trade. Most of you would have seen the trade that I made yesterday, and I shared that on Instagram, and that was 1,300 in the space of 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Today's trade was 200 in the space of 5 minutes. I'm not the only one that made money today, by the way. Some of you also made money, and I'll share that with you guys today in this video, who else made money and how much they made using the strategy that I've been teaching on this channel. Now, if you're new to this channel, look in the description. There's a free tutorial that makes sense. This video will make even more sense after viewing the tutorial that shows you how I make money and trade the stock market. And those who have been following me and part of the Z Monopoly family already, by the way, if you're not, make sure to join it and smash that subscribe button. We traded Best Buy today, and yesterday it was MNK, right? So those are the two trades that I made, and most of you has made money today on Best Buy. So yeah, let's have a look at the boring stuff to the computer, and let's make some money. Or if you get value out of, if you just get one thing, guys, that you didn't know in this video, then that's good enough, right? Because that's what you need to be doing. If you just learn one thing that you didn't know, that can make a difference. So make sure to watch it till the end. So yeah, what am I doing in this car? What am I doing in this Range Rover? Well, as you know, this is my friend's garage in front of me, and he owns all of these cars, and I'm here looking for a new car, and it just happens to be a Range Rover. So this is the new kind of compact version. This is the new version, guys. But before we do any of that, I have to go traveling, like most of you know. So I'll be doing that this summer, then we'll come back and settle down, and it's gonna be this car.
How much?
How much for the Range? How much for the Range Rover?
20.
What?
20 for you.
20,000
euros.
That's cheap. How much is the actual price?
2,900.
29,000.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is the baby. It's a blue version, but yeah, first thing first, let's get the education on. We are two positions open. We have two positions open in both of these stocks, Home Depot and this pharmaceutical company. So obviously, you know the way I trade, guys. It's based on earnings, and this is a stock that just gave a home run up. So it's called MNK. I got in late. I got in just around here, 10 minutes later or 5 minutes late into the market. So we are up 25% so far based on good news. So that's the good news right here. The stock is up by $2, $1.90, and I'm up 1,600 pounds, and also down 95 pounds on the short position. So in total, unrealized profit and loss is 1,500 for the past 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, we made 1,500. Going on a long position on Best Buy right now. I'm in 300 shares. I entered 2 minutes ago on 68.93. Now, Best Buy, guys, has a great earning report. Sells top analyst estimates. So obviously, you know what happens, and we're up at the moment 166. So we should take the money soon enough. We're up 80 cents. And I will be closing the position soon and re-entering soon also. So we should hit the 70 mark figure. Well, the pullback is happening, but this is a fake pullback. So we stay with the long position, okay? So that's 150 so far. See, the pullback happens so quick, guys, and obviously when you're in these kind of volume or volatile stocks, you get greedy. Because you say to yourself, well, the stock is going to generate even more profits. So you see the pullback just happened, guys, and I should be back in the loss if it does go below my entrance price, which was 68. Now I could have came out with 200, but I got greedy. 130. So you seen that fake pullback? Well, why did I say it was a fake pullback, guys? Because I came and looked at the report, and I knew that this report was going to blow it out the water. When we look at a report like this, like I say, I always said this, a report usually indicates of how much a stock will spike by. A strong report where they haven't released something like this in a while says that the stock will spike by a huge percentage. And at the moment, it's up by 15%. So I'm looking at $70 mark, and I'm out from that stock. But again, it is volatile, guys. So if I can hold this for a swing trade, I will. or just take whatever the market has given me today, then I also will take that money. So some of you here are making money as well on the same stock. Here is 209 on Best Buy. That's not much, but the process counts. 122 on Best Buy, 150 on Best Buy, 100 and Best Buy. So far we extracted about 500, few of us, right, from the market. These are people just like you watching. So if you want to join this course, join this Discord chat. It's in the description, guys. But yeah, let's have a look at Best Buy. So far, so good. I'm still in that position, being greedy. I always say do not be greedy, but again, I will be greedy in that case, guys. So yeah, that's pretty good. All right. Well, the master obviously makes more than the student, and here we go, 200 guys, in the space of 7 minutes now, and I will be taking that money soon enough. There we go, just executed, and that's 200 down in the pocket. Just remember, guys, I'm not the only one making this money. It's 7 minutes into the stock market. We're up. Our friend here, $200, $16, I think. It's not much, but again, he's playing with small positions because he's still in the learning stage. 122 in the space of 7 minutes, 174 in the space of 7 minutes also. So Best Buy is breaching the 70 mark soon enough, and it should pull back. But I'm not going to play the pullback on this stock because this stock is kind of a stock that I'm not going near because of the report itself. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little walkthrough. So guys, let me just go over it for those guys watching new. Well, we trade earner reports. Basically, we know the date for these earner reports. Every company has to release an earner report, and we know the exact date for this. Basically, we look at the positive earnings and negative earnings. A positive earner report spikes the stock this way. A negative earner report puts the stock this way. So our job is to become analysts, to analyze these reports, and time again become good at this. So we know how to trade these stocks, when to get in, when to get out, and how to exit. So with Best Buy, guys, the earner report was great. It was smashing. It was it was something that they haven't released before, right? So this is BBY, Best Buy. So obviously when a stock comes out with a great earnings that they haven't released before, that says to investors the company is growing, i.e. the stock is going to spike, and the percentage is going to be more than usual, so in that case over 10%. If not, if it's just a regular report, not much growth, then on average 2 to 5% in a single day is how much the stock will spike by. So our job is to look at the history and look at previous earnings. And history does repeat itself, guys. So make sure to analyze these and get good at what you do. So I'll leave this here for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully you learned something. But yeah, we made in the past 2 days 1,000, I think 600. Taking the loss from Home Depot. That was the loss of 150. So 150, guys. It was a loss, and that was the profit after the loss. Most of you seen it on the recorder. So, see you again for more videos, guys. I appreciate you for watching. Peace and love. Don't forget to leave the like and the subscribe. See you again.